Good morning. It's a great day in beautiful British Columbia, Canada. Today we are doing a ration review of chicken curry. Okay, so this is the Star MRE. The actual menu is menu 13, and it's curry chicken with rice, vegetables, and lentils. So just did the contest for 100 subscribers. Thank you to all the subscribers. Appreciate it. Thank you for the ones that have been around and stuck with me for quite a while now. So it looks like we're about 6 away. So as soon as that gets up to 100 or 102, something like that, make sure people that are going to stay, and then we're going to go ahead and send that package out to one lucky person. So anywho, let's get into this ration and see what's inside. Excuse the shakiness of the camera. It is windy outside. Okay, so first off, we got our main, and it has a cardboard sleeve with it, and that is the curry chicken. And what do we have for sides? Okay, well, we got the flameless ration heater, and just as I was afraid of, it came with crackers, so that's why I saved some tortillas, because curry, it needs flatbread. So I'm gonna grab that real quick. So we're gonna go with these tortillas chipotle. All right, what else do we have here? We've got sugar cookies. And we got, oh, nice. We got the spicy buffalo mix. I love that stuff. Had that one last time. That was really good. Okay, and it's going to come with a juice here. What do we got? We've got the grape, which actually comes, I think it was like blue, so it actually looks like a raspberry. And then here is the accessory pack. We'll go ahead and see what's in that real quick. All right, what do we got? So we got a sugar, and we have a deep rich coffee, which we're going to pass on today because I got some more of that Ignition coffee, which already opened it up and set it up in one of those little coffee pour over camping coffee filter thingies. So this is the blend called Ignition. It's a premium espresso blend. All right, what else? Okay, we got a nice MRE spoon or napkin, and a really nice MRE spoon. We've got Smarties. Let's move this up, see if it'll show up in the camera there. Yeah, so we got Smarties. We got moist towelette. We have salt and pepper. We've got non-dairy creamer and some crushed red pepper. So let's get the let's get the main going here, and the tortillas. So here's our FRH. And Get our main in there. Alright. And we'll get the tortillas in there, see how they do. Just from the heat of the main. And get some water on that. Alright. It's already starting to steam there. Let me see if I can put it in this sleeve here. Okay, got everything in here. I'm going to bring it inside just because it is still a little bit cold outside. Okay, the main, it's been heating for 20 minutes with the tortilla, so got that there. Let's get the sides out first. So we got sugar cookies, which last time I got sugar cookies, they were the patriotic. These are the round kind here. So let's see what they look like here. Pretty nice looking. I love all your basic cookies. And this is one of the kinds I like here. Just simple and good. And I lucked out and got this, the spicy buffalo mix. Had that one of the last rations I did, and it was really good. So you get a lot of cool stuff. You get these everything sticks, which are kind of like a sesame stick. You got the guacamole bites, which are kind of some kind of grain that's flavored like avocado or guacamole. And you got whole almonds, barbecue peanuts, and then also some praline peanuts. So these are nice. Excellent. That's a really good mix. I would actually buy that at the store. Okay, now for the sugar cookie. Really good. All right. So let's go ahead and do the drinks. We'll be doing that Rampage Coffee Ignition Blend, Premium Espresso Blend, and some grape beverage, which is a little tart for my taste, but I'm going to put a packet of sweetener in there.
Starting with the affirmation of man. I work my way backwards using cynicism. Time monitor
Okay, let's try the Ignition coffee. It's good. Not too strong. Nice and creamy. And here is the grape drink. Okay, and this time it tastes pretty good with that sweetener. Very nice. So, really looking forward to trying this chicken curry. Okay, tortillas feel nice and warm. The main feels nice and warm. Smells nice. Okay, got some little bits of chicken in there. Could be more chicken. And it's supposed to have some lentils. I see rice. I see little bits of vegetables. Maybe a chive. So I'm gonna open up these tortillas. There's the tortillas. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna go inside where it's warm, eat this, and then I'm gonna report right back to you. Okay, me and my wife ate some of the curry, and for me it was too spicy, and actually for my wife it was too spicy too, and I do like spicy food, but this is hot. A little hot for my taste, but both the drinks were great, and I'm sure this is good. Just you got to be into more of the hot dishes for this. Cookies are great. This buffalo mix is awesome. Okay, well that is it. Hopefully we'll get up to that 100 soon, and I'll be sending out one lucky recipient coffee mug, chocolate, a mystery ration, and a few other odds and ends. So you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you later.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.